Everyone, welcome to Tuesday. And of course, every Tuesday we take a look at the NZSX 50 and just review the performance of that over the past week. A little bit of housekeeping that I have to do, and that is that this is for educational purposes only. No way is it intended to be any personal financial advice. If you are looking for personal financial advice, then you do need to go and speak to your own financial advisor. So let's jump across. Great. So I've got the main indices up here, which is obviously the NZSX 50. And it is Tuesday morning when I'm recording this, so that's why we can see this little red candle here that's just showing where the market is at since opening this week. So last week we did have a down week. It obviously opened at the previous high of the week before, and it has closed down. Now, I'm still okay with this, and the reason being, if you learn how to read candlesticks, which is the charts that I like to use, even though it had a down week, the tail, if you like, on that particular candle indicates that there is still quite a bit of buying pressure. The other good thing, so that's one of the good things. The other good thing that I like to look at with this example is that, again, yes, it was down, but look at the volume. The volume is well down as well. You can see that by that red bar. What we're looking for is if the market does sell, which it has last week, we're wanting to see low volume. If there was high volume, that could be a reason for concern. However, like I said, it's very, very low volume. There was less volume last week than the week before, when it certainly reached new all-time highs for this year. Let's have a look at the 5-year chart and just have a quick look. So we're not back obviously to where we were within the last 5 years, but we're certainly still trading around sort of highs that we last saw around February 2022, so almost 2.5 years ago. And those are really good positive indicators. I'll just go back to the 2-year chart again. We'll pop on our moving averages, and if you follow me a lot, you know that I use the 30 exponential, and I also like to use the 15. No magic numbers here, they are just what I like to use. One thing I do recommend though is whatever numbers you use, you're consistent with it, because otherwise you're going to get varying results and you're going to think maybe one's working, one isn't. Stick with it, try it for several months and modify it to what you're wanting. So like I say, good positive indicators as well. We're still trading well above those moving averages, and that is a good sign. So it doesn't surprise me that the market has come back a little bit, because markets, it's a little bit like you and I breathing. We can't keep breathing out. We have to take a breath in. And that's how I look at it when we have a down day or down week in this example. So to me, at this stage, it's not anything to be concerned about. We'll just flick across and have a look at the daily chart as well. And yeah, again, it's okay. It's just slipped below the 15-day moving average, but it's trading close to that 30-day moving average, which is okay. I mean, only time will tell as to exactly where this market's going to go. I'm certainly not trying to guess where it's going to go, but personally, I'm quite comfortable with it. So like, no surprises where the whole trading week was down. And that can also happen when you hit new time highs. Market just sells off briefly and then it can rally again. And that's what I'm certainly at this stage thinking could well happen, because it reached that highs, also known as a line of resistance. So you never know, it could certainly rebound back there. Obviously the reverse could happen as well, but no, I'm certainly optimistic, and I hope that's helped. Come back on Thursday. I've had a request to look at Spark, so we'll have a look at our largest telecommunications provider here in New Zealand. So remember, if you're getting some value out of this, just obviously do the like, subscribe, share, that sort of thing. It really helps me. And also, I love your feedback. So come to me with any ideas or questions that you've got. Happy to help in that area. Okay, until Thursday, take care.